Good morning, student. In the chapter number 1, know the numbers, the point 1.8, understanding units. In earlier classes, we have learned about units for measuring length, mass, and capacity. Measured in centimeters, but it is very small unit to measure the length of a classroom. We use meters for the same. Similarly, we buy items like rice, wheat, sugar in kilogram from grocery shop. To weight light things we use gram, and for much lighter things we use milligram. We buy milk in liter and medicine in milliliter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter we write it m, and equal to 100 centimeter we write it cm. 1 kilometer we write it kg. 1000 gram we write it g. 1 liter we write it liter. 1 L equal to 1000 milliliter ml. We write it 1000 ml. The measure larger than things, we use units that are 10 times, 100 times, or 1000 times the standard units. We add deca, hecto, or kilo before the name of the standard unit. To measure smaller things, we use units that are 1/10th, 1/100th, or 1,000th of the standard unit. To name these units, we add deci, centi, or milli before the name of the standard unit. The system of the measure of called metric system. Let us arrange the unit of length, mass, and capacity from smallest to the largest. This is the standard unit meter, gram, and liter. If we divided by 10, then it become deciliter, and after divided by 100 it become centiliter, and divided by 1000 it become milliliter, divided by 10 it become centimeter, centigram, or centiliter, and divided by 10 it become decimeter, decigram, and divided by 10 it become liter, meter, or gram. In this way, we multiply by 10 with meter, it become decimeter, decigram, deciliter, and multiplied by 100, it become centimeter, centigram, and centiliter, and divided by 1000, 10 into 10 into 10, 1000, multiplied by 1000, it becomes millimeter, milligram, and milliliter. And if we divided the liter by the 10, it become decaliter, decagram, decameter, and so on. Unit of the length. Remember them. 10 millimeters, 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. 10 meters equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameters equal to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometers it become 1 kilometer. It means 1000 meter become 1 kilometer. Units of weight: 10 milligram become centigram, 10 centigram become 1 decigram, and 10 decigram become 1 gram. It means 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram, and 10 gram equal to 1 decagram, 10 decagram equal to 10 hectogram, and 10 hectogram equal to 1 kilogram. It means 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 grams in 1 kilograms. Unit of capacity: 10 millimeters equal to 1 centiliter, 10 centiliter equal to 1 deciliter, and 10 deciliter equal to 1 liter. It means 1 liter have 10 into 10 into 10,000 milliliters, and 10 liter equal to decaliter. 10 decaliter become 1 hectoliter, and 10 hectoliters it become 1 kiloliter. It means 10 into 10 into 10, 1 kiloliter have 1000 liters. Large number in practice. Detail of 1 month's purchase from Lakshmi grocery stores is as follows. Lakshmi grocery store price list: sugar 35 rupees per kg, good 40 rupees per kg, salt 7 rupees per kg, pure ghee 395 rupees per kilogram, tea rupees 175 kilogram per kilogram, chili powder 180 rupees per kilogram, coriander powder 170 rupees per kilogram, turmeric powder 170 per kg, shingdana 90 rupees per kg, oil 80 rupees per kg, chana dal 65 rupees per kg, 115 per kg, rice 65 rupees per kg, besan 70 rupees per kg, moong 60 per kg, and soap cake 75 gram rupees 13 per piece, and good. The purchase detail, this is price list and purchase detail. Good 325 kg in purchase good. He purchased sugar 3837 kg, rice purchased 906 kg kilogram, seeing dana purchased 164 kg, pure ghee 500 kg, arhar dal 1369 kg, tea 188 kg, salt 234 kg, chili powder 93 kg, coriander powder 147 kg, turmeric powder 189 kg, and chala dal 3273 kg, and soap cake 75 13,048 pieces. This way, we practice with the question: find out the total weight of things sold by Lakshmi grocery store. Then we add all the weight of the things. This line. We add the all weight of the purchase detail. Purchase detail. weight. And what is the total weight of the soap cake sold by the in kg? Uh, we multiply by 13,048 into 75 gram. The product is in gram, then divided by 1000, it become kilogram. How much money did the grocery store get the selling sugar and tea? Sugar and tea, we multiply 35 into 325 kg and tea 175 into 5 into tea 188 kg and add them and practice. The question number, example number 7. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 centimeter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will be left? 40 meter cloth we have, and one shirt spent 2 meter and 15 centimeter in one shirt. Cloth needed for a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter, 2 into 100 plus 15 equal to 215 centimeter. Total length of the cloth 40 meter, 40 into 100 centimeter equal to 4000 centimeters. We have 4000 centimeter, but one shirt spent 215 centimeter cloth. Then we divided the 4000 from the 2015 and the result is 18. We make the 18 short and remaining cloth is 130 centimeter. Number of shirts that can be stitched 18, remainder 130. Number of shirts can be stitched 18 and remaining cloth 130 centimeter, it means 1 meter 30 centimeter. Thus 18 shirts can be stitched and 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will be left. Okay, thank you.